and we are committed kureba ngo twagirebera yakora by the close of the dry spell nishaka kwasira twaza kuzomu kwa munana mu kwa mwende nshura zaza kwizera kimwe nishaka bayabire mu mpimi munonga kandi ekigenderwa cyo kugira ngo one time baka to advising ko Emiti na mbene keri extended network kuri network jone bere cartus mukate jura tugize tugiye nane yahwire yo nari yarigiremo konka ndenda kwasi mu munonga kandi natamya partnership yanyu okutugumire nimo tukuje kabago kandi twabishingeze mutaturwa azarangu tuchonga teka ngo icyai tugarika tukibonereze kimwe akaba tukakora excavation twatereye kanza kandi ho tukora na graduation zito okumenya ngo ramba katambira tukora graduation zito mutokanze parking hari yazona tetse zabazijwira aha tureba ngo twagira ubusinga nabwije nabwo kutakoreba ngo ibindi babe na noja kushanga nabo mabazire mu graduation bari ngo metakom abo kwenda ganira abajoma bitu mwe bari munonga kandi basima bizo hirego nyana shaka basistansara abakire tubasime twatanise mu university
kandi basistansara Stuart University ndakutwara mu show okwakira team Absa right from the head office tubakira kandi kabesi tukushimurwa kwango munongera izoba okureba ngo nekwataniseki nekwatanisa hagati ya BSU na Absa timu byesente byonka abukuba abakozi bitu nibatongerayo imishara abakozi bitu nibatongerayo za roni kandi zibayamba mu miringo mingi konga kandi hateri izoba cyaba icyo mugisha muhango munonga kandi twashimirwa munonga BSU okureba kandi mumwijira aha idare rindi ecya corporate social responsibility kurengo kandi mwija mwahika aheru mu community eyimu kwatagana nayo okureba ngo corporate social responsibility yija area yo saving environment na muno save river wiz ikindi kintu ikiberekerire hariho na group zehireyo okurebeka ngo river wiz yaba protected mwene kandi kumukurugayo nka Absa kandi mukija area yite exene shumira no rwizi kandi mukagira ngo matwatiraho okubyara Emiti Emiti kika 500 n'ikintu cyo muhendo munonga n'ikintu cyamani kandi abanisha bana ngo tukireba mu tendo kushemerwa kwango munonga bisa ukubashimira kubande ba saving ukubashimira kubande ba investing ukumwenu ejo literacy yona rono wagitunga tukugira ngo no kwija kutunga rono mu Absa konga ko wagitunga wagikoze sota mwene ejo teaching ejo literacy netwikaje munonga kandi nitusima munonga manager wa branch ite Absa jambarara na staff yona ya Absa mbarara branch umurimo gubatukuriye okwija that financial literacy na no kumaking sure ngo baturabamo barabumu bana barabumu staff yite n'abantu binje bakore ngo muri 200 abana ntikumu 15 plus konkani bija bakavalinga bagamba nabo rero baganyirwamo so twasima munonga ka BSU kandi imiteji twajyana rukundo kandi rukunde gumeho amina rukunde gumeho na any other social responsibility rabeho ndujyakize mikono yombi konga twagira kushimirwa kwa mani munonga governance ne chamanyango muri yaha board of trustees babakama ba institution age ya Bishop Stuart University bachamanyango muri yaha so kandi batugira ngo orwijirwa BSU rwirwire ishaha yona mwija tubakira nebyo mwebare munonga kandi kanyendeze kisasa zece kitaza kuzaho cyo kusimba imiteji iturije kurebera kurungi kigende cyo munongo mwishu mwebare
cyo kwansha byona tukunde by'ubuhangwa kandi tena tuturizavinge environment turiya hururu eyo kubyara Emiti kushika miliyoni 3 so aha kubanza tubyire imiteji munonga umyanya tariye monemwe kandi mu region age yitu yakunuya nabwo turyontwenjera nto twatanda so this is just the beginning nza kubyara Emiti nabwo ninde itaka mu kine ryinji nza kwiyongera kureta n'indije Emiti indijo okugira ngo tubyare kimwe Emiti ntwena ngo tukumu buhangwa bwitu bugume no burebe kaje then things agamba byinji munonga abo kuba nyine team kandi tujana team leader oba kweta Albert niza kumuhereza opportunity naona yongeraho then we start the exercise mwebale muno
nawe mwebale kutwakira inkumanya wanga mu rujungo wo mu Nyankore niza kubitabura hati erizoba ni World Earth Day. So it's on World Earth Day. World Earth Day ikatandika. So what triggered it off in 1970 omunanka no USA there was an oil spill somewhere. As a group of students at Turia University, yes. A group of students, activists, basharamu barugayo basharamu kwekarakasa pakugira nkonkashi ebintu nkebi these kinds of oil spills. What impact does it have on our planet, on our environment, and what can we do to try and stop this? So abana batandika batyo ombizano in 1970, you can imagine. Umwaka gwa 1990, if I'm correct. That is when now this became a global thing. So every year, ebiro abiri na bibiri okwakana celebrating World Earth Day. And of course, it aligns with our purpose of we try as much as possible conserving our environment, but also restoring. Ekintu cha climate change, it is it is real. Several VC, management and the press, last week, something happened to me, which I didn't think was big. So nkabugana munywani wanje nakora Dubai. So nkambugana bwa mukaga awaha akashiyamoro nambuza hachiwe yagira ati ndimuni ndonda ki nindonda gamboots akabona munagura gamboots iwe shi gamboots nozitwaranka Dubai. I don't know whether most of you know. Yes. You must have seen in the press. It was on the April 16th bakagwisa injura ya mani nibagira ngo omyaka nshanju netane huye tubakarebaga injura nkejo negwa mu Dubai. So they got rainfall of 2 years, of 2.5 years. It all rained in one day, in one single day, and it messed up the whole planet. So hato munywani wanje wabazire kumukora mirimo konga tuguza kutembe nyonyi kugarukamu omucharo we yamjara taziyo oyijena za gamboots akwa kuza kwikomuka no itaga gamboots to be able to go through. What is climate change? You want to gamba climate change, but this is the impact of climate change. So nyo kureba ngo turahanuya ntugamba kintu cha climate change turumuntu gamba kintu cyo kubyara emiti. Imagine our students abakozire cyo bakozire 1970, if they hadn't started that story, probably wouldn't even be talking about this. So it is our opportunity to also be able to tell our own story kugira ngo 15 years from now, 30 years from now, our grandchildren and children, they will be saying, but for us, what did we do to try and restore the planet? What did we do about climate change? So when you think of Absa, this is something that we take very, very seriously. And we appreciate partners like you. Kugira ngo tujanuya tujare Emiti. Yachigambaho branch manager kugira ngo tukesetingira target kugira ngo at least umyaka eshatu in the next 3 years, starting last year, tujare Emiti at least $1 million plus. So ahungambira last year tukabyara emitwara 3 350,000. Hanu yeri izoba mwebare kutereza umugisha kugira ngo twarete Emiti 500 500 trees. Kandi Emiti itwa leta these indigenous species. Dean of students ya gambari karutus. Tukwenda kuleta karutus akwa ebya karutus no man. Karutus it dries the ground, it has its own disadvantages. So turyo omumivure musizi and those indigenous trees akwa yo hine engineer kugira ki yo kwata na environment and it helps, it aligns with our purpose. So today ours is to appreciate you for this partnership. Ours is to play our own part to make sure that we restore the impact that our planet is suffering, but most importantly to be part of the story, to say on this day, especially this very significant day, World Earth Day, we are adding our own brick together with you to see what difference we can make
in restoring climate, in restoring our environment. So nebyo nimbasima munonga the press ni mamwebare munonga okutwezo mu bishogo coming and seeing what we are doing, because it is you who will tell our story to the rest of the country, to the rest of the world, to say this is what Absa is doing, this is what Bishop Stuart University is doing to try and restore the environment. Thank you very much. Mwebare munonga.
Kuruchera ikitongore cha banka yiba kweta Absa ete no mujyango Africanist
And tujangu your story matters.
Your story matters.
Your story.
Okay, mumuhamizi agusherere mutigi kutayoma. Okay, webare munonga omugeni witu. Thank you very much. Kare munabisenga roho rero azegumza mukwate sente tubakuzi kwatsitaka. Katsabe vice chancellor atubyarira umutugunda hariya. Mwefika atemitaka yebare munonga umukuru w'itenekeri ya Bishop Stuart turi yabyara umutima runjogo noshana gutambana n'umushinja gwa kuzigira muhe agusherera mizi gutoma okay hatogu yagubyara, you know, we say our God reigns, that's our motto. And he even makes the rain. Hey, tabe branch manager wa Absa Mbarara na watu bya room taria Mbarara branch, so yaza bya room ogwe bagweta guha Ambreta na okay okay, bari mnonga guno sana amanya kuhinga namureba nare kuyakwate kwatefuka wewe rumwe katutero mungaro. Thank you very much. Tumuhamizi yabanze ya tahenzura takayuma bari mnonga. Okay, good friend katu byaro mutugumwe muherwa dean of students on behalf of the students, because the students will keep planting the rest of the trees. So, dean of students, please. Amina. Bakwefuka turebe ndeko no mapinga. Okay. No yangandu ndiwe.
Emoyonga.
Bakamizi oshereho tayoma. Okay, thank you very much. Bakunabise. Ladies and gentlemen, we have ended the exercise of tree planting. Kokana ni shabanga aba na mnongi wa website